Hey guys, this is Lapris Singh. In this video, I will show you how to do a proper cleaning of split air conditioner. I will using a foam coil cleaner and a pressure washer for cleaning this. First, we will clean evaporator coils, then blower wheel, and then drain pan. I try to explain each and every step, so stay tuned up to the rest of video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit subscribe button. First, turn off the MCB or circuit breaker of the air conditioner. This is an LG brand split air conditioner, so let's start disassembling it. Hold the knobs of the air filters, lift it up, then slightly remove it from the indoor unit. Open the horizontal vane slowly to remove the lower panel first. Unfasten the locks from one side, lift up and then pull it out slightly, and continue through the center and then remove it. To remove the horizontal vane, unfasten both center shafts and then bend the vane slightly. First unfasten the left shaft and then the right shaft. There is a key alignment at the right shaft. When reassembling, insert the right shaft properly. Remove the two screws from the front panel. Slightly lift up the lower part, then unfasten the hooks of the top carefully and pull the upper part of the front panel out. Remove the two screws of the service cover and then pull out the service cover. To remove the drain pan, first remove two screws of the drain pan and pull out the left shaft. First, then from the center, hang it on the right side and disconnect the connectors of the swing motor and on-off switch. Now remove the screw of the drain hose and pull out the drain hose a little bit so we can easily open the screw and disconnect the drain hose from the drain pan. Disconnect all the connectors. Remove the screw and deattach the ground wire. Pull out the indoor unit heat exchanger thermistor. Be careful not to lose the clip of the thermistor. Disconnect the connection wire and remember the positive and negative wire. I have rolled the electrical tape on the positive wire to identify it. Remove the screws of the electrical box and then pull out the electrical box. If you don't want to remove the electrical box, then cover it properly with the plastic cover so that water drops don't enter this part. I am using a King Pump full cleaning cover. First, open the base cover and make sure the middle connectors are connected and fixed. Use both hands to pull up the bracket and hanging above the air conditioner on both corners. Must insert and securely fix the plastic board. Pull up the base covers to rope stoppers against the wall until it is near to the air conditioner on both sides. Now push in C-shaped support bracket of protection cover to the hole on the plastic board. Place the protection cover on C-shaped support bracket. This cover is made up of aluminum frame and PVC plastic, which is acid and alkali resistant. Now let's start the cleaning process. First, pre-rinse the evaporator coils with water using 90-degree nozzle and rinse the backside of coils. I have already made a detailed video of the pressure washer. You can check on my channel. Pre-rinse the evaporator coils from the front side thoroughly. Also rinse the blower wheel. This is a coil cleaner. This is a coil cleaner foam can from the Forest King brand. It can clean evaporator coil and condenser coils, and it is completely safe for air conditioners. Shake well the coil cleaner. Remove the cap and point towards the surface to be cleaned thoroughly. Saturate the targeted area with foam. Be sure to foam evenly covers the entire surface. After applying coil cleaner, leave it for 15 minutes. This cleaner has self-rinsing formula. The foam will break and condensation will completely rinse the emulsified material. However, we can wipe clean or rinse the water. I am going to rinse with water. Now rinse the coils. Go slowly and rinse the coils thoroughly. So now indoor unit cleaning is almost done. Let's remove the cleaning cover and allow some time to dry the indoor unit. Until then, we clean the front panel, air filter and the drain pan of this. Remove the on-off PCB from the drain pan and also remove the stepper motor from the drain pan. Rinse the drain pan with water, and after that I am using mild detergent mixed with water to clean the dirt and stain from the drain pan. Afterward, rinse it with water. I repeated the same steps with the front panel, air filter and service cover. Now install the on-off PCB and stepper motor on drain pan. Make sure it is dry before installing. Now repeat the same steps in reverse order to assemble the indoor unit. First, place the electrical box in its position and screw it tightly. Carefully put the thermistor back in its holder and connect all the connectors. Each connector is differentiated with the color, so attentively connect the connections correctly. Screw back the ground wire to its position. Connect the connection wires and cover the joints with electrical tape properly. Pull out the drain hose a little bit and put its end to the drain pan and screw it back to fix its position. Connect the connectors of the on-off button and stepper motor and tighten the screws. Then fix the service cover to its position. Then put the front panel and insert the hooks of the front panel into the main body. Then tighten the screws of front panel. Install the horizontal vane. Insert the left and right shaft and then insert the center shaft. Then install the lower panel. At last, insert the hooks of the air filter into the front cover and push down the hooks to assemble the air filters. So that was the whole process of cleaning the air conditioner in proper way. If you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comments. You can also connect with me on Instagram. So that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit subscribe button.